Brotherz here. In this video, we are showing homemade clay. We are using 3 ingredients for making the clay. The ingredients are 1 cup maida, half cup salt, half cup water. Now we are going to mix it. We need to mix it very well. More kneading is required. Now we are going to add color to it. Using this clay, we are going to make some items. Yeah! Cool Brotherz logo with our homemade clay. What's up, bro? Fine, bro. Should I ask you a question? Sure. Ant and elephant went for a picnic by a car. Elephant was the driver. Okay. In between, their car broke down in the highway.
Oh no!
They tried a lot to start the car, but it didn't work.
Oh, that's bad.
What would have Ant told to the elephant? Tell me the answer, yaar. Okay, the answer is Ant told that, should I push the car? Oh my god!